Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back with another hot video. Now, for those of you that are new to the channel, please take the time to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. That way, when the next video comes out, you'll be sure to be alerted and will not miss a thing. Like I always say, I'm not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. So anything that you see and hear on this channel deserves your own research. And make sure you please do your own due diligence before you put your money at risk. Right now, I've noticed the stock market has been running kind of hot lately. In other words, it's been going up quite a bit lately. And to be honest, when that happens, it begins to be harder and harder to find different places to invest and put your money, because everything seems to be getting to a level where it's overpriced. And when things get overpriced, you end up paying more for stocks than you actually should. Now, I'm not calling a market top. I'm not saying the market is going to crash. But what I am trying to explain to you and what I am trying to warn you about is that right now the market is running high and it's running hot. And we're getting next to a level of resistance as to where, when this happens, generally, not all the time, but generally stocks tend to sell off and go down. So I'm trying to let you know before that happens and give you 3 companies to look at as to where you can put brand new money, where these 3 companies that I got for you are not overpriced at the moment, and they're just getting to the right point as to where you ought to be looking at getting into it. So when stocks run hot and stocks run high, people generally start to look towards what's on your screen right now. Gold. Good gracious alive. Look at it, gold. Gold is at a price that's almost $2,000 per ounce. Gold is going up. And you should have, if you do not already, at least 30% of your money into this precious metal, because this right here is not overpriced. Gold represents real and true wealth, because gold prices are what they are. Stock prices, you may be overpriced at one point, you may be underpriced. Stocks can go up and down and fluctuate all over the map. But one thing I know about gold, gold has been around since the beginning, and it can withstand the test of time. So right now, I want to take you to 3 stocks that I like that involve the gold yellow stuff. First company is Barrick Gold Corporation. Now, Barrick Gold, I like this company. It's a company that's based out of Toronto, Canada, and they were established back in 1983. That was a good year too, 1983. I had an afro. But anyway, this is a gold mining company. They mine for gold and they also mine for copper. They build and develop mines for production. Production. That's the second video production came up. I hate production. Anyway, so they build and develop mines for production. They sell gold and also sell copper. Now, Barrick Gold is a #1 rated stock. They just got a brand new upgrade by the analysts. Now, right now, Barrick Gold is trading at about $29.20 per share. EPS, which is earnings per share. If you look right here, the EPS, the earnings per share for next year, it says 29.48%. Now, that means that Barrick Gold, the earnings per share of this company are expected to rise almost 30% next year over top of what their price is this current year. For those that don't understand, that's a big increase in earnings that's expected to come towards Barrick Gold. So Barrick Gold is a #1 rated stock that I would highly recommend that you look at, because stocks are getting overpriced. And if you need somewhere to put brand new fresh money to make sure you're not overpaying to get into certain stocks, check out Barrick Gold, #1 rated company. Now the next company goes by the name of Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited. Now Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited is a company that's located in Johannesburg, South Africa. They've been around since 1944. Now, Anglo Ashanti Limited is a gold mining company as well. They also produce gold, silver, and uranium. Next year, their expected EPS, earnings per share, is over 55% per share. Now, once again, let that sink in. Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited is expected to make 55% more per share in their earnings, money coming into the company, than they make this year. Now, for those that don't know, when your earnings per share goes up, your price per share sold gets higher as well. So right now, Anglo Ashanti Limited is selling for right around $30 per share. Also, this is a #1 rated stock by the analysts. Anglo Ashanti Limited is a great place that you can put brand new money. Now, just to remind you guys, if you haven't done so yet, I ask you to please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. That way when the next video comes out, you will be alerted and you won't miss a thing. Also, want to ask you guys to please leave comments at the bottom of the video, because YouTube likes for a channel, once it's growing, and this channel is growing thanks to you guys. Nothing that I'm doing, thanks to y'all. And I appreciate you guys tuning in and listening and hopefully learning something. But please leave comments, because more than anything else, I like to just get your ideas on different takes on certain stocks, on which one of these three that you like, because we all in this thing together. You may be able to tell the stock dude something that I can invest in and bring out possibly in another video. Because hey, it's all about us, the regular people. If I don't help you, who gonna do it? Because the people that's making $1 million a year, they ain't got time, or they don't have the drive to do it. So that's what you got your boy here for. The stock dude gonna bring it to you live. Now, the last stock that I want to introduce to you guys goes by the name of Yamana Gold Incorporated. Now, Yamana Gold Incorporated is also located in Toronto, Canada. They were established back in 1980. They are a precious metals producer. They explore and produce gold and silver ore. Now they got mines. Yamana Gold Incorporated have mines in Argentina, Chile, and also Brazil. So not only are they located in Canada, but they also have mines in Argentina, Chile, and Brazil. And the best thing about Yamana Gold Incorporated, the best thing about Yamana, I just want to make sure you listening. The best thing about Yamana Gold Incorporated is the price. Look at the price. The price is $6.09 per share. I want to make sure that sink into you. Yamana Gold, $6.09 per share. And look at this right here on the bottom of the screen. See those big 2 green volume spikes? All of these little spikes and blocks on the bottom are volume. And volume is basically just shares of a company that's bought and sold. These 2 big green volume spikes, this right here tells me something. What this tells the stock dude is simply this. When you see these big green spikes, see how big they are compared to the smaller ones? Right here, and here's the months on the bottom of the screen. Right here at the end of May, you see these 2 big green blocks. They represent brand new money. Brand new money coming into Yamana Gold Incorporated. And one thing I know about brand new money, that's money by companies. And that's also monies by millionaires and billionaires, because look at the size of these things. This right here, these little blocks, that's me and you type money. That's us, the little guys. But when you see them big blocks right here like these 2, oh, the big dogs is coming in to bark. And when they come in to bark, the price runs scared and go higher. So right now, the stock price, you can grab some shares of this for $6.09 per share. That's in everybody's price range right there. I mean, come on now. Everybody got $6. If you got a job, you got $6. So Yamana is a good place to put brand new money, because I'm going to be honest, looking at this chart, and it's in an uptrend right here. It's angling up. And as long as this price doesn't fall too far out of this uptrend, looks like it's trying to kind of go back to this $5.50 range. But as long as this doesn't fall much below $5.50, it's going to continue to go higher. Now, today's date is the 29th of August, 2020. I'm willing to bet you that next year, this time, Yamana Gold Incorporated will not be anywhere near $6.09 in price. Not what I think. I'm telling you what I know, because I've seen it before, because I've done it before. When you see these big lines coming in here, these big blocks, that's big money. And big money, the way it works with these stocks that are low price, when big money comes into those stocks, it's almost like putting a big giant fireman hose inside of a small backyard pool. In other words, you can get a whole lot of waves. That's what them big blocks coming into a low price stock does. So if you got some extra money that's burning your pocket and you don't know what to do with it, I'm gonna leave my address on the bottom of, if you got extra money and you don't know what to do with it, put some money to work in a stock that's $6.09, that's undervalued, that goes by the name of Yamana Gold Incorporated. Once again, I'm the one known as the Stock Dude, and I hope you enjoyed the information that you heard, and possibly it can give you some ideas about where to invest your money going forward. I'll holler at you later. Peace.